everybody, welcome to today's video. I'm going to be doing a little book haul. These are some books that I bought recently for this month and books that I'm planning to finish reading by the summer, so hopefully I do. And let's get started. So the first two books that I want to show are the ones that I bought at the bookstore. My sister recorded a few clips of me just going around trying to look for any books that I wanted to read that were on my list. Oh, and my list grew a lot, by the way. So currently have this list and that of books that I want to buy before or read before this year, so cool stuff. Okay, so the first two books we have here is George Orwell, 1984, and I'm halfway through reading it, so yeah, I'm going to be giving you guys reviews or a review video later on. So okay, The Picture of Dorian Gray by Oscar Wilde. So I'm excited to read this one because I've seen clips of the movie with Ben Barnes, and I'm excited to watch it after I finish this one. So okay, then we got The Secret History by Donna Tartt. This one is one of the books that I've seen a lot of people read, and they have given good reviews, so I'm excited to read this one. Okay. Oh wait, yeah. So these ones, The Secret History and the next ones that I'm going to show you guys are the ones that I bought from Amazon recently due to the Amazon book sale. So yeah. Okay. Then we got The Invisible Life of Addie. So I am excited to read this one too. I just love the cover. It's so simple and so cute. So, and the stars. Okay. The next one we got is Atomic Habits. I was gonna get the paperback, but then I saw this one at Walmart with the hardcover, and I just decided to order the hardcover instead. So, yeah. Okay, up next we got King of Scars by Leigh Bardugo. I've been reading her books, Shadow and Bone series, so I'm excited to see, to read Nikolai's story in this book. So, okay. Anne of Green Gables, I already have Little Woman in this edition, so I'm excited to read this one. This is so cute. Cool stuff. Oh, and I watched Anne with an E, so yeah. So this one is kind of, I guess it's a series. I thought it was only this one, but apparently it's both of them. But okay. If You Had Been With Me. So I just got this one. I saw it on Amazon as a sale, and like I saw the cover before, but I don't really know what it is about. So yeah, I'm just reading this one, and then I just got the second one because why not? I'm pretty sure I'm gonna like it because it has good reviews. So okay. Then we got Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. So yep, these are just like self-help books that I wanted to read. So with Atomic Habits, and there's other books that are like in the same genre that I want to read. So this one was one of them. And then the last one we got, It Starts With Us. And the only reason why I'm reading this one is because I already read It Ends With Us, so I had to finish the series. So yeah, and these are all the books that I'm gonna try to accomplish to read before summer ends, hopefully, because there's a bunch of books that I want to buy still. So yep, I'm excited, and I'm going to be giving you guys some reviews afterwards. So yeah, my reading pace is slow currently because it had been a while since I read any books, but we're getting there. Like I said, I'm halfway of 1984, and I've been wanting to read this book since I was like in 11th grade probably. I just never did. I don't know why, but now we're here. So yeah, see you guys next time.